Hey, this is me again. We have a Samsung drive. Uh, it smell burn something when you start it. Then make kinda weird noise. So let's clean up. Probably need clean, especially around the heat element. If the heat element was good, not melted, we will keep the same heat element. Otherwise, we need to replace it. Let's do that. Alrighty. All right. To remove that one, so we need to, and you can see this is not a good sign. So we'll clean this one up later on. I believe it's need deep clean inside. So to do that, we started from here, and one and another one. Once we're done with that, we need a pry knife. Sometimes, if the putty knife doesn't work, then you can use a flat screwdriver. So, then we can remove these and let's remove these. Okay. These three, if we do that, we can able to, let me move some back towards the wall. Then we can leave this one right here. Once we do that, so there is a, you can remove this wire from a door, doors. This is the door switch, which is located right here. Whoopsie, why I do that? Or, which is I can do, I just, if you have a room, just take this one and sit it to the side. This is more safe because most of the time, if you just not careful, this part will break easily, and then you need to get a new one. So which is I suggest just put it on the side. So as soon as this is the first thing. So first thing, it gave us idea the problem. Alright, anyway, and then we remove these to remove the bulk panel off. Okay, you can remove the sensor. Alrighty, so we remove all 5 screws. Then we can lift it up and just like that. So for sure, this one need to be clean inside, outside. I will do later on. But so let's remove and see. Alrighty. Okay. Sometimes it's cute. Just a second. Well, this is stuck somewhere to the tree, I believe. There you go. Whew. Super ice. So the way I explained that, it smells come from this one, and that's not a good sign. So it's caused a lot of things. Heat element will melt out, fuse overheat. Those pulley wheels gonna damage, blower, whatever, and a lot of things. So to do that, we just need to clean everything, and so we put a new pulley wheel on them, and I will check one by one. If they need to replace, I will do that. Otherwise, I just clean them and just put them back. So stay with me. I'm just gonna clean these off first. I have a vacuum. You can just vacuum them. Those big one, I'm just gonna put on plastic bag. The rest, I'm just gonna vacuum it. So once it's ready, then I'm gonna start with those. All right. Thank you. So before I start with inside, so I just put something to prevent some scratches. We need to clean these two. If they need a replace, we will replace it. But let's see. So this takes some time, but it's possible. So this is the most common issue, and here this has caused more damage on wheels. Okay, so we can put it in to the side. Then let me get my special tools. So if you're gonna go just barely to open it up, then so there's two way. So you can remove that from the back. So you need to remove this cover. Then you can totally replace the whole pulley wheel. But I do this one for a while, so I just clean it up. If it's need to replace, I replace it. Otherwise, I just put it back. So. Okay, we almost done with this guy, and so you can see all those come from just one. So if you stuck behind the clip, so still you can remove this one. But we don't need to now. So then I get this is special oil. Okay. Just like that. Alrighty. So, and then this is the fun part. Okay, we just do like this, just playing some, and you can see. Okay, then we just do this way. Okay, you can do it one more time if you want, but to me that's totally fine. And you can see there's no worn inside. is smooth. So if was something were metal to metal, then it's make a squeaking noise, which is I suggest replace both. So in this case, we just clean them. Put some, put it on, then just like this. Okay, very good. So, and then we go same way with this one. Okay. So this is, so during the time once it gets more stuck between, so it's gonna make issues same thing as this one. So since we have issue with the other one, so I'm just gonna clean up, you know, to prevent for the future. Just on the side. Okay. So in this case, I believe I need to take this one off because something hard inside. You don't need to take it all the way, just till here, or you can take it off. So this one so need to be clean all around. Okay, then we do this, then put some oil and this one. So also fun part, just and we clean it. So let me find a good spot clean. Okay, let's do one more time. And so I believe we should good. There you go. So we can put this one back all the way and put some oil. There you go. So I hope I not missed it. It's right here. Okay. So once we're done, so we're done with this part, okay? The front bulk, and we can put this one on the side. Now we go with the next part. Just go there. Okay, let me this one. Alrighty. I'm just gonna set to the side. Okay, so the way I explained, so I'm gonna pause the video because once I bend it down, I'm not able, I believe, to record the video. So those, I'm gonna clean those as well, same way, same process. So take those clip off, clean it out, and you can put it back. And this one as well. So if this one is stiff, is not same way, same, just take this clip off. Once you do that, then you're able to clean it. Same process. Once I clean those, and I'll be back. Just to stay with me. Alrighty, so we're done with that one. I cleaned these. Same thing. Ready. So we're ready to put the drum back. To do that, so let me show you a quick video, a quick things, how to put it on. So this normally the belt goes around the drum, then so you can, it goes on there, and once you pull, okay, with one hand, so it goes just right there. Okay, that's how it works. Same thing, if you want to take it out, pull back, and you can release it. Then once you put it back, so push up to the left, put it on. So when you take it out, push back, and same way. So help this video out for those they do it for the first time. So let's do that. Alrighty. Alrighty, then we go at this one. So we already clean inside, vacuum it, so just ready to put it back. Okay. Sometimes it's give you a hard time. Let's put this together. Then we can start. Do the screw back. Okay. So we done. Okay. So we go the front panel. Alrighty. We just put these two screws back. So once we're done, and I will taste them one more time, so making sure there's no more smell, which is, I believe, no, because we cleaned them already. And there's two more down here and one up. Alrighty. Okay. So I'm just gonna test it and see how it's run. All right, I plug it in and see the difference. Alrighty. So hope this video help out. Thank you for watching and see you on next video.